Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the cabinet retaining clip on your top load washer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need to pull the washer slightly forward from its sitting position. We'll need enough room that we can rotate the control panel backwards. And since we will be working near some electrical circuits, we'll need to disconnect power to your washer. So either pull it far enough forward that you can unplug it, or locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker or remove the appropriate fuse, and then we can start the repair. Now, depending on the model that you have, you may have removable end caps on the control panel, or you may just have an exposed screw down through the front or through the back near that end cap. We'll need to remove those two screws so that we can rotate that console backwards and we can access the rest of the washer. On the style that have the hidden type screws, we'll simply need to lift up on that end cap slightly. Just pull it forward. There's also a little tab on the very bottom, so you need to gently pull that away, and then we'll just set that aside. Do the same on the opposite side. Now, with the end caps removed, we've exposed the screws that we'll need to remove to rotate that console back. So pull those screws out. And then we'll pull forward slightly at the bottom of that control panel. And tilt it up, rotate it back out of the way. Now, if the cabinet retaining clip is still in place, you'll need to remove it using a flat blade screwdriver. We'll go down into the front opening. Just put a little downward pressure, pry backward. We'll release it from the top of the cabinet. Unhook it from the back panel. And you can discard the defective one to install the new one. We'll take the short-ended hook, fit it into that recess on the rear panel, and then simply press it down into place until it locks. We can then rotate the console forward and reattach it to the cabinet. Make sure that the feet on the bottom of those end caps fit down into the cabinet, and then we're ready to reinstall the two screws. Now, next we'll install those end caps. Make sure that the tab on the bottom fits into the appropriate slot. Then simply rotate it back. Make sure the tab on the side fits into that slot. And snap it into place. And for the opposite side, make sure the bottom tab and the two on the side fit into their proper spots. And now we're ready to push the washer back into place. We can reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.